This one is for my heavy smokers out there. Today I have a mullein leaf tea, 100% natural herbal tea. This tea is used to boost your immunity, help clear out your lungs, and just better for your overall body health. If you want to try this tea, I did get this tea off of Amazon, and as you can see, I'm just making it real quick. Let it steep for 5 minutes, and after you let it steep for 5 minutes, let it get dark, and then you can go ahead and add your lemon juice or honey, whichever you prefer. I added lemon juice, and enjoy.